Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order from the Temu app using cash on delivery and explain whether it's really possible or not. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Now, select a product you want to buy. Once you've chosen the item, tap on Add to Cart. Next, go to your shopping cart and from there, review your selected product. Choose the category or size if required, then tap Continue. Now you'll need to enter your delivery address. Fill in your name, mobile number, province, city, and street address. Once done, tap on Save and then confirm by tapping Yes, it's correct. Now it's time to proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, you'll see different payment methods such as debit/credit cards, Apple Pay, Jazz Cash, EasyPaisa, and some local bank options. However, you'll notice there is no cash on delivery (COD) option. That's because Temu currently does not support cash on delivery. This is due to their policies and payment agreements in certain countries. So if you've seen claims about COD on Temu, they're false. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.